shit. Oh, look at that sky, man. California. Another beautiful day. Got Boy Eddie here helping with the tires. So we got nothing else to fucking do at home. So we just decided to pull some of the tires from the storage, slap them on the S10, and go do some burnouts. So we keep trying to do burnouts, but looks like our tires are pretty much gone on the rear. So we were like, oh, okay.
They've been through war and back.
Yeah, so yeah, they're done. So we're swapping in the
they got PTSD now.
The meaty wheels here and try to do some burnouts. Like we said before, the transmission for this thing is cooked already. It struggles, but it hates us, yeah. But we pulled a new one from the junk, well, a used one from the junkyard. So
which we don't even know if it's the right one.
we don't know if it's, I mean, it's the right one. We don't know if it's working, but we'll see. Yeah, it'll fit. It'll fit.
I'm really confident.
We didn't pull that shit for 5 fucking hours for nothing.
Yeah, so regardless, we're gonna swap in the transmission, and then hopefully it's better than what we currently have.
Well, we might want to go rebuild it, get it better, you know, maybe put a shift kit or something, but
maybe
we don't know yet. So so for right now, we're just gonna swap some tires and see if we can do a little more burnouts.
Yeah, get a little more life out of that current transmission.
Yep.
We found out more shit to do.
Okay, so we just thought about something. We're gonna remove the muffler out of this thing because we just checked, and the way it's put together, there's only 3 bolts holding the muffler.
And 2 in the back.
So it should just slide out. So it's gonna give us a sort of like a muffler delete. So it's gonna be louder, which is why not. We're at the point where this thing is gonna get stripped, and we're gonna do fun stuff with it, better stuff with it. So might as well get rid of that muffler.
More space or what?
I mean, the muffler has a hole on it, so
Nothing. Yep, that's fine.
so they'll encourage us to actually put a good muffler on there, like a Flowmaster
Let me try to find the right tool.
or something. Just careful, though. That shit is hot, dude.
Yeah.
Oh, you hear? Burn this up. Don't burn your head away.
Do you have any good gloves, though?
Huh?
Do you have any good gloves?
Hell no.
All right, fuck it.
You know we do the ghetto side.
The ghetto way?
Yeah, ghetto way.
Skeptical way.
Yes, sir.
Burn your head.
I forgot Mr. over here. So want to get his fucking hands dirty.
Fuck you.
You want to get his jeans dirty and shit?
It's only 2 bolts,
You
Castro.
gonna bite my Levi's, motherfucker?
Castro.
Huh?
It's only 2 bolts, wait.
Fuck it.
Uh-oh.
Oh no, 3. 1, 2, 3,
Yeah, you going to the governor.
4, 5.
We're just here. We have a leak.
Hey, compadre.
It's not like we're pulling a muffler out of this thing.
No, something we'll never do.
Yeah, we wouldn't do.
Just a little hose you guys are checking.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
There's a leak.
We saw a leak. We're trying to fix it right now.
You understand, Tatiana.
What are you guys doing?
Checking a leak.
We're checking a leak. Don't worry.
There's only 3 bolts holding this. Worst case scenario, we can put it back up.
Worst case scenario.
So put on it.
If the top says something, we're just throwing the bolts rusted and it just fell.
Yeah.
We need to get new. Eddie, just grab that pipe, dude. It's good.
I'm cool. You want to do that? Go for it.
Oh fuck.
Use those muscles.
Fuck.
You might need to put a wrench on the back.
No.
Or
No.
WD, fuck it, go for
I
it.
think inside way. The other side. Oh yeah.
I found that you have the PV blaster.
Yeah, I know.
That's the good shit.
I bought it otro día, güey. I paid like $7 or $8 for this shit.
Well, if he's a mechanic on the go, he needs the good shit.
You know. What's over there?
And I'm backing up.
Woo, that shit is nasty, boy. That should be enough, huh?
Oh, those need to come out too?
Yeah.
Oh, that's right.
Este no, ¿verdad? No,
There's
this
a-
one?
there's a-
Nah, 'cause it's-
Hey, wait, there's a third bolt on that one, way.
Where?
On that one, the one you were putting the spray on?
I know, I already put it, bro. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, okay. I didn't see that you did on top way. My bad, bitch.
I don't think this one has to come out. Dude, I think we can remove the puro exhaust, dude.
What do you mean?
Look, man. It has 2 bolts, like this ones.
Yeah.
Aquí, holding the exhaust.
But that's gonna be a bitch pulling it out. Let's just
No, it looks like it comes out easily.
Are you sure?
Yeah, we just hit it with the hammer.
'Cause it took forever with the van, dude. I feel like it's gonna save us time to just remove those 3 bolts. Dude.
Pero aquí está un hook we need to take.
I think he's trying to break it off.
It's out, it's out.
It's out?
Almost.
There you go.
No cabe, güey, sí.
Flip it. And we can always lift it on the rear too.
Maybe go a little down way?
Hold on.
That.
Try lifting it more, Eddie. $100. He's gonna lift it.
No, it's not that way. That's gonna keep back esta madre, güey.
I'm saying, push it down more down way that way. 'Cause it looks like there's like a little bit of. There we go. See?
Wow, Eddie. Finally, use your brain.
I'm more useful than Castro.
Fuck you, dude.
Using the bottom here instead of the top one.
Let's see how many holes this thing has. Oh, look at that beauty. Here, pose for it, dude.
West side, bro.
West side.
It has 1. The one that didn't pass smoke when I did it.
Come on, there has to be
No,
more.
that's it.
Dude, look at that shit. It's not even fully welded. There's like a hole there, too. What the fuck? Oh, let's throw it on the trunk and go do some burnout.
Should we take it on the truck? Let me turn it on to see how it sounds.
Well, let it drop it, though.
Drop it, Eddie.
It's dangerous. Come on.
Slowly, Eddie. Let me see how it sounds. Alright. Ready, guys?
Come on, Eddie. Nobody wants to see your butt crack, dude.
Oh, you paying attention to it?
It sounds hella throaty, dude. I like it.
I like it too.
It sounds
hella beefy.
It sounds sick, dude. Alright, fuck it.
So I got the homie feet down. We just put a board like sauce on this shit.
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
We're waiting for that one straight so we can just fucking
Pour it?
Chewy with it. That fool looks like a cholo.
I know, hella gangster. It's right out of the way. That's a fat dog, bro. Damn. Okay, so I'm happy with the upgrade we did.
Oh my god, the brakes are so bad.
I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get a ticket about that.
Holy shit. Oh fuck. Alright.
Full throttle, bro. Full throttle.
Let me try to rev it. Let me rev it up. See how it sounds.
3,000 RPM.
We lower the window so everyone can
fine.
This is a full race truck now.
So now we gotta find the perfect street. Damn, this fucking road's fucking out in the back, bro.
God damn, these fucking streets are fucked.
See where my taxis go to, bro?
Come on, everybody, let's convince Sergio to put the V power on there.
Nope.
Come on, dude.
No. Too much gas, bro. This is
No,
$4. Fuck that.
dude, come on, like,
No.
do like $20 worth of it.
No, fuck that.
Come on,
Hey, don't be fucking showing where I live. What the fuck, bro?
this thing needs V power. Let's test it.
Nope.
Come on, dude.
I'll put fucking car.
Dude, I'll put $20 of V power on that bitch. Come on.
No.
Come on, dude.
You didn't get my fucking car back.
Pull it out.
It's locked. It's locked. Hey, Eddie. Oh, wait.
No, it's going. It's
Like
going.
that. Piece of shit.
Come on, dude. Let me put
Piece of shit, bro.
Let me put $20 of V power. Don't be a bitch.
Ah, it's another mask is on his side. Fucking bullshit. Fucking coronavirus. Fucking up my routine, though.
Alright, you gonna let it rip, Sergio?
Fuck yeah.
Alright, guys, we're looking for a good spot for. Yeah, I think that's it, dude.
Oh yeah, this is like the perfect spot here. The cuties don't come at all around this area.
Just gonna let it sit, Sergio? Like, just fucking
Let us
roast
see
them?
as much as I can. Before my transmission was out.
The transmission does not really happen with this.
Alright,
Transmission
guys.
hates us.
So we did it last time there. Same spot. You see, you can see the marks there still.
Yeah.
Alright, well, wish you luck there, sir.
We just luck.
Fuck. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Fucking dying. Oh, shit.
How was that?
Fuck.
Well, it felt good. It just needs more power though.
Fuck, dude, I was choking, bro. Fucking smoke.
It needs more power.
It definitely needs more
It does. It goes, bro. I didn't hear the cracking noise in the transmission.
Maybe it healed.
Maybe, I don't know. Or maybe it was just us.
Maybe.
Or maybe you got used to the abuse.
Maybe we're just exhaust.
Yeah. Oh, maybe the exhaust helped.
Maybe it got used to the abuse.
That was good.
That was a lot of smoke.
Dude. Alright, everybody. Say goodbyes.
Full throttle, bro. Full throttle.
Alright, we still got more left on us.
Yep.
Just still hot.